Hi, I'm Lynn, the resort manager here at Sun Retreats Silver Lake. We're so glad you booked your stay with us. Let me show you around the park. Let's go. We have 257 sites here. That includes 12 rentable cabins. We have nightly RV spots, which are mostly pull-through spots. The rest are all seasonals. Our cabins include a living room, dining room, kitchen, and all of the linens are provided. We have 2 comfort stations available for you that include showers and restrooms, one here at the pool house and one at the Welcome Center, and that one includes laundry services. Here at the sports courts, we have beach volleyball, an arcade, basketball, pickleball, and gaga ball. Here at the general store, we have a lot of things available for you. Whether you forget your toothbrush, your beach towel, or even if you just need drinks and snacks, we have them available. We also have a fitness center. It's available for you to use 24 hours a day. Our pool area is open from Memorial Day to Labor Day. That includes a kiddie pool, the main pool, and a hot tub for 18 and up. This is one of our greatest new attractions, the jump pad, where kids and adults can all come and jump. Let's do it! Our biggest attraction is the sand dune. If you've never been to the sand dunes, it's definitely an experience that you'll never forget. There is lake access for boating and fishing. Right around the corner from us, we have downtown Silver Lake. We have plenty of shops downtown. We have a couple miniature golf locations. Family Fun Center, or Craig's Cruisers, is quite a hot spot and attraction for most people coming here. Our whole team is here to make sure you have an enjoyable stay, like our activities coordinator, Anna.
Hello. If there's anything that I can do to make your stay better, please find me in the Welcome Center.
Download the Sun Outdoors app on your favorite app store and book your next stay with us. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Retreats Silver Lake, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon!